More guys, subscriber to viewership ratio co-balance. What's going on? Let me subscribe now. Hit the subscribe button. I know you're watching. Please subscribe. Thank you. Welcome back to Vinafriq. This is where we teach you how to make classic African hairstyles. And for this video, I'm going to teach how to make a two-strand twist without a weaving base. There are two ways to make a two-strand twist, and that's with weaving at the base or without the weaving at the base. So a lot of people shy away from doing this method of doing a twist without the weaving at the base because they believe they won't have a tight grip, or it won't hold, it won't stay firm, it will be soft and just flying around, like it will be a weak braid. That's what they think. But I'm going to teach you an interesting way of doing it that it would be nice and tight. So you cut your hair. I'm doing big portions because this is a tutorial video for beginners. So you cut your portion into two equal halves. Try and make it as equal as you can. It's not like you carry ruler and measure it. Just try to make it as equal as you can. You feel it in your hands when it's balanced, and then you twist. You have to twist and twist. That's the idea of doing a two-strand twist. You twist and you twist. So what I mean by you twist and you twist is you twist the strands itself. You first twist them, and then you put one strand over the other in another twist. So basically you twist and you twist. And then an interesting fact to note in twisting is the direction you twist your strands in, your single strands in. When you're taking it over, you have to take it over in the opposite direction. So case in point, I'm twisting to the left. I'm twisting my two-strand twist to the left, and so I'm taking the strands itself over each other in the right direction. So I'm twisting to the left direction, then I twist in the right direction. I twist the strand itself in the left direction, and then I put it over in the right direction. So twist and twist. So it's left twist, right twist, left twist, right twist. That's what your twist and twist will be. So just remember that alternate twist, you twist and you twist, but it's left twist, right twist, left twist, right twist, twist and twist. And as you can see, it's nice and tight and firm at the base. As you twist and twist, it will continue to tighten upwards towards the base. I don't even understand the mathematics of it, but it works. So you twist in the left direction, and then you put the strand over in the right direction, which is still twisting. So it's a twist and a twist. And as you can see, it's nice, tight, shiny. It's not weak at all, as you can see. So you twist and you twist. The initial twist helps to strengthen the braid. It strengthens the braid, and it gives it that feel of not losing its grip or being weak. So basically it strengthens the braid. You twist and you twist. Twist left, twist right. Twist left, twist right. Twist your single strands, and then you twist over in the other direction. And that is basically it. That is basically how to do a two-strand twist. So you realize that as you're twisting, the strands are thinning out. So by the time you're getting towards the end, you probably have one strand that is thinner than the other one, and so you try to balance it out by taking a bit out of the bigger strand and giving it to the smaller strand. Now when you do that, you kind of try to fill it out so that it will now be a case of you've given too much to the other strand, and the one that used to be big now becomes the weaker strand. You're trying to balance it out. That's what I'm doing here. I'm trying to balance it out. So I'm taking a bit out of the bigger strand into the smaller strand. But as I try to twist and feel, it feels very imbalanced, like I've just switched sides, and so I have to readjust and respread the palliative. I have to redistribute resources for it to balance out. And so when it's evenly redistributed, you would always feel it. You feel it. It's not like it's this thing. So when it's evenly redistributed, then you just continue to twist to the end. Some people also like to put a braid at the end of their twist because they feel it would keep the twist from loosening. That's a 3-strand braid. So by the time they get to the end, they switch to a 3-strand braid to kind of like tighten the knot, if I can use that word. But I don't usually do that. I just twist till the end and just, twist till the end. Start with a twist, end with a twist. So if you want to see how to do a twist with the 3-strand braid, that's a twist starting with a 3-strand braid, I have a video for that on my channel. You can just go through it. Subscribe also, it will help you. Subscribe. I have interesting videos. Subscribe. So that's the braid. It's nice, it's tight, it's clean, it's firm, it's everything a braid should be. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please kindly like, share, subscribe. If you know anybody that is looking for how to do the braid, recommend the video. Thank you. If you want to know how to do other interesting hairstyles or other interesting hair techniques, feel free to go through my channel. Thanks, guys. Bye. And subscribe now. Thank you. Subscribe.